Hi, the team from Full Flight here today, and we're going to show you how to go ahead and set up and print PDFs where you don't have a wireless printer. And that's one of the advantages of the flexibility, the approach we have here for Android. You can either print direct wireless or save as a PDF, email it to yourself, and print. The end result will look like the sheet of paper that you see here, and we'll show you some of the customization you can do. But there are 5 site tapes. You have a site tape for your selected speed, a plus and minus 1 foot per second tape, a plus and minus 2 foot per second tape. Importantly, on the right there's a calibration scale, and that should be 6 inches in length, but you need to check that each time you print to make sure that your site marks are accurate. In this video we'll show you how to correct any inaccuracy using the app, and it's very easy to do. So we have some data set up on our Uno app here for one of our bows, and we're going to go ahead and select the site tape format on the site marks, and then select the print icon. So the flexibility or customization that you can do is select where to locate the tapes on the page, top, bottom, or middle, whether your 10-yard marks are on the left or the right, and then whether you include 1-yard marks on your site tapes. Once you've done that, select print, and you'll always get prompted for the question here regarding the scale and whether it was printed to the correct length, 6 inches. Because this is the first time that we're using this print flow to save to a PDF, we're going to say that we don't know, it's our first try. So up top we have a menu, and you can see we had some cloud printers set up, but we're going to go ahead and save as a PDF. Select print, and you have the option here to customize the file name, which you'll want to do. Just make sure that you use the .pdf file extension. When you save it, it'll save to your documents on the Droid device, and you can access those through the My Files folder on your home page. To select that document and email it, for example, you press and hold, select the icon or the instruction to distribute, and then in this case we're going to send it via Gmail. And what, of course, this allows you to do is get it to a printer where maybe you have a PC where you have a hardwired printer connected and you don't need to have a wireless printer. If you want to do wireless printing, we have another video that you should refer to with detailed instructions on that. So when you get your printout, you want to be sure, again, to check that length of that 6-inch scale. And if it's not accurate, the app will allow you to correct that and get your site marks dialed right in. So here we're about 6 1/4 inches. So we're going to run another print job because those marks need to be a little more accurate than that. We're going to say no at the prompt about the scale. And then we're going to go ahead and enter the actual length of the scale. You'll notice that we've rounded the fractions here, so you'll move from a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch and so on in 30 seconds. It's very much like a socket set, for example, where you go from a 3/8 inch socket to a 1/2 inch socket. All you want to be sure of is that you go in the correct direction from the starting point of 6 inches, and you will get to the value that you recorded for the length of the scale. And again, here it's 6 1/4 inches. And we select done. I'm going to go ahead and save it to a PDF again. And you can, again, customize that file name. I think we're going to call it test2. Go ahead and email it to ourselves at our PC. And print. Now on this print job, again, we want to check the scale length and confirm the accuracy of it. It should have been adjusted for, based on the first print job, the length of the scale of the first print job. And so the app's corrected now that scale length so that it's exactly 6 inches. And that means all our printed scales are dialed right in. So that's all there is to it. And we hope you enjoy the app and have good shooting.